In this introductory video, I'm going to review some important areas to check out when you first enter the class, as well as give you a brief overview of what we will be learning about each week. So the first step clearly is here, right? Start here. So under the welcome start here link, this is where the video will be. You must have already been to this link to see this video, but check out instructor information, general starting steps. Please check out the question and answer forum each time you enter the class. You never know when there's a question that has been asked that you would be very interested in learning about. Might pertain to something you're not sure about at the time. The About Us, and you will meet your instructor and your peers. And if you don't have Microsoft Office, you can download it for free here. Okay. Microsoft Office is Word, PowerPoint, OneDrive, all of that that you'll be using in all your classes. And the online nursing student resources. Here is our best practices video, information about the Writing Tutor and how to access the Writing Tutor site, and some other information about advisement, practicum, Brightspace, and so on. And then the next link here is course information, this course information tab. Here you will find the syllabus, which includes the calendar of assignments, which is real important. It tells you all the due dates, as well as discussion and assignment policies. Okay. And you will find in the calendar of assignments that there is some flexible turn-in dates for the Wicked Country assignment. So check that out. And this next link here is just some general information about online learning, academic integrity, accessibility, and so on. So you can look through that. And so now we'll get through to the different weeks. So week 1 is a general introduction to global health. The overviews in each week just tell you the different learning outcomes that we're going to meet each week. The reading and resources is where you'll find any textbook readings or articles and a brief overview of the topics of the week. And then whether the week will be a discussion or an assignment, there is often a choice poll. This is a general choice poll for everybody to answer. Certainly it's not required, but it's always good to know if you are an education or administration major. And with all the discussions, there is a Turnitin discussion checker. So in that video that introduces you to our online programs is more information about the Turnitin discussion checker. So please check that out if you haven't had a chance to do so. So I'll go down to week 2. So week 2 continues on with some additional content. This is about social determinants of health, sustainable development goals, which are key concepts that we'll be discussing throughout the class. And this is a traditional discussion. You've got the checker and you have 2 choice polls. And this is where you will be making your Wiki Country choice poll, which is the major assignment for this course, which begins in the next week, which is in week 3. Okay. Again, week 3, readings and resources. There are a number of videos located here on how to get started with all of these resources, as well as how to get set up with the technology you'll be using this week. All right, so there's a lot to look through for this week. So ideally, if you could read through these resources or just scan through them, download them, you will get a good jump start on the project due in week 3. So this is your first assignment, assignment 1, part 1. Okay, and there's information in this link as to how to submit your assignment. In week 4, this is your second assignment. All right, you will be creating a case study, and you will have different research studies to choose from that will be the basis of this project. Okay, and so these are the resources And there's a choice poll, and the title is Influences on Global Health. Week 5 is a continuation of the Wicked Country project. It's part 2, and this begins the flexible turn-in. So you could submit this project sooner. Be sure to check the dates in the syllabus, but the last day to submit this project is Sunday of week 5. And then in week 6, didn't mean to do that. Cancel. Okay. And week 6, this begins your, it finishes up the Wiki Country project, week 4. And basically you have all your resources from week 3. There isn't any additional information essentially for parts 2 and 3. But there is some readings you can check out. And then week 7, this is a course reflection, and as part of the course reflection, you're going to be reviewing one of your peers' Wicked Country projects, as well as week 4 case study. So that is a brief overview of the course. It is a very engaging, busy class, as are all of our online courses. There's always something due each week. But this Wiki Country assignment is quite an engaging project. It's a little bit time consuming, but it is split up over 3 weeks. So it gives you ample time to get acclimated to it and work on it a little by little throughout the course. So please don't hesitate to be in touch if you have any questions or struggling in any way. All right, enjoy.